how's it going? It's Seb Brantigan. Welcome to this video, and you're here to learn some multi-level marketing tips that are going to help you to grow your network marketing business. And so are you here because you're struggling to generate leads for your business? Are you struggling to get distributors to join your team? And maybe are you struggling with finding a mentor or a coach who can point you in the right direction? So today I'm going to give you 3 multi-level marketing tips that are going to help you to generate more leads, recruit more reps, and grow a thriving team, even if you don't have a coach or an upline who can really help you do that at the moment. And to be honest, that's probably one of the reasons why you're actually here on this video. So tip number 1 I can give you is to brand yourself, not your company. Okay, the reason why I say that is because your brand is far more unique than any company out there that you promote, especially if you're in a big company with thousands and thousands of distributors, or maybe there's more than that. So you want to always build your own brand and, you know, showcase why people should work with you instead of someone else. So tip number 2 is to be active in the marketplace. You know, I love to use social media to generate leads, and you can do this as well totally for free. It's also a great way to get your brand and your name out there by sharing value and sharing reasons why people should work with you, sharing success of your team, things like that. And so being very active and showing people some of these things that you're up to, that your team is up to, showing that your team is growing, or at least showing that you're out there building the business and doing something interesting. You have to be very active, you know, particularly online and in social media as well. The third tip that I can give you is to find a coach or a mentor. Okay, you want to find someone who has a proven track record, who has the results that you want, and you want to follow them very closely. Even if that means buying some of their products, buying some of their coaching, buying one-on-one time with them, okay? Even if you think you can't afford it, it could be one of the best investments that you ever make. So hopefully you enjoyed these multi-level marketing tips. If you want more tips and strategies like this, you can download my 7 Steps for Unstoppable Sponsoring PDF. There's a link somewhere around this video, or you can go to unstoppable-sponsoring.com and you can download that PDF totally for free. It's the A to Z guide of getting more leads, more reps, and a bigger downline and growing team that you're really looking for to help you achieve your goals. And this PDF, which is valued at $97, which I'm giving away for free, is going to be your golden ticket to achieving the life that you really want in network marketing direct sales. So hopefully you enjoyed this video with 3 multi-level marketing tips. Hopefully they're super powerful. Please like, comment, and share this video, and hit the subscribe button so you get notified of more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.